Alright, hello and welcome to the weather update. It's around 2 p.m. on May 7th, 2019. And we've been dealing with a good amount of clouds today, but it looks like maybe they're starting to break up finally. You can see this low cloud deck that was sitting over most of our area that's trying to now move away, but the sky is still kind of like, hazy. It's not a nice sky that we have right now. And you can see this cold front that is coming down here on the satellite. Looking at our temperatures, we'll first start with the Ventu sky. Whoops. Let's move this. I'm trying to move this over. Come on. Alright, so Long Island, we have a sea breeze luckily, so temperatures in the 60s looks like, not too warm. And if we get out east, it's even a little cooler in the 50s. South Shore looks like it's in the upper 50s. San the city goes into the upper 60s, probably some 70-degree readings coming there. And let's go to our usual hot spot, where it's also near 70 in Toms River, according to Ventu Sky. But let's get some more accurate information from underground, shall we? So these are the temperatures here, because let's get in here a little more. Come on. Jeez. Yeah, you can see here mid 60s across the middle of the island, South Shore right on the beaches to the mid 50s, North Shore upper 60s to around 70. We go and look at New York City and the Hudson Valley, low 70s. And let's take a look at New Jersey here, Toms River. Oh, look at that. Already an 80-degree reading near Toms River. Mid 70s, well into the 70s in the hot state of New Jersey. So, wow, not surprising. Not surprising at all. So let's go and we'll actually look at some actual observations. Well, those are actual observations, but let's look at the official observations from the Weather Service, from the airports, and see what they are reporting across our area. So still overcast at Farmingdale, 59 degrees. I'm sure that's similar readings across the rest of Long Island. Let's now take a look at Central Park. So see, it's warmer there, 67. Probably because the sun has been out for a little bit longer there. 50. The dew point is a little more higher today, 51. And we'll go and look at New Jersey, which will be much hotter. Let's see what they have. 73. No surprise. Oh, look at how much more humid it is, too. The dew point's up to 61, too. So I mean about Jersey, it's not only is it hotter there, but it's a lot more humid, too. Which is very interesting. So let's go and look at the models. At least I'm feeling a little better today. A little better. I don't know if it's cold or allergies. I know the tree pollen is very high. So it could be either. I don't know. I'm just noticing everywhere I go, there's a lot of people coughing and sneezing. So I don't know if that's allergies or a cold going around. But anyway, yeah, you gotta wear a mask, I guess. All right, let's let's go and look at the NAM and see what we have here with the NAM. Because we have a chance of some showers later on the night. Here's that cold front. So let's take a look at that cold front. It actually has some thunderstorms developing upstate. And then that could get into our area. I would say it looks like around 9 o'clock, 8, 9 o'clock. The NAM has most of the activity in New Jersey. Obviously, it's hotter there, so that's going to fuel a lot more convection. So those dew points up there definitely could be some convection. Front passes through, and that's all she wrote as far as the rain goes for now. But as we go a little later on, you'll see the rain does come back into the picture as we get into Friday. But it looks like even Thursday will be dry, perhaps. Maybe. Probably not as you get toward the evening. But anyway, let's now take a look and see the temperatures. So we're using the NAM for the temperatures today. NAM definitely is a little too cool for Long Island. So I don't like using the NAM for temperatures. Probably shouldn't. And then it gets us, yeah, I shouldn't even use the NAM for temperatures. Because the NAM does have a cold bias. Just forget about that. Let's look at the skies and see what's going to happen. Can we get a clear sky tomorrow? So we have this front, but the problem is it gets kind of hung up. But it looks like maybe we might be able to clear the sky out a little bit toward the afternoon. Maybe, but it won't be completely clear. There might be some cirrus around too with the stall front. and then by Thursday the clouds kind of come back into the picture rather quickly. So let's go. We'll look at the GFS. Probably the same thing. So here we go on the GFS. You see, there's the front coming through, but the problem is, it gets kind of hung up to the south of us, and we never really clear out completely. Maybe there'll be a little bit of clear sky every now and then, but it won't be a clear day. And then Thursday we're in the clouds, Friday we're in the clouds, Saturday we're in the clouds, Sunday we're in the clouds, Monday we're in the clouds. Yeah, there's really no clear days in sight. I mean, it's ridiculous. We may have to wait till, I'm not even going to go that far out. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I mean, all these clouds we're getting. It's absolutely ridiculous. So now we'll go to temperatures. Show you temperatures. So as we go into tomorrow, you'll see the temperatures will be cooler, a little cooler at least. Temperatures probably still in the upper 60s, slightly above normal. Still slightly above normal because the cooler air is to the north, but we can't get into that because, again, we got the stall front syndrome going on. Thursday, a little more cool air builds in, but then we have all the clouds. So that's the problem we're having right now. I mean, the sun is shining outside right now. The sun is back out, but we did have clouds for most of the day, and then I'm not even going to go into the weekend. You know the deal with these clouds. I mean, it's just so annoying. I'm just going to go back to the sky grids here and look at some other models, which I don't normally look at. RGEM. The RGEM was a little more encouraging with yesterday. Let's see if it still is. Front comes through, gets hung up. That's the problem. It gets hung up. That's the problem. It gets hung up to the south because of that damn ridge. But if you were upstate, folks upstate in Albany, you're going to have a nice clear day. Maybe. But there'll be more sunshine there than here because, again, we're dealing with the stall front, so it'll also be cooler there, too. So, let me go back to the GFS, and I just want to look at the dew points. Don't want this being a long weather update, just want to show you what's going on. So, back this up. So you can see, yeah, little elevated dew points across our area ahead of that front, then the dew points come down. Wednesday and Thursday. Like I said, Thursday will be pretty chilly. It'll just be, some pretty chilly, dry air, but the problem is we have all these clouds. It's a shame because if we were further north, we would have a nicer day. So actually, I'm gonna just plug in some forecasts, and then we'll wrap up this. So if we hit Albany here, let's see what the weather's like in Albany for tomorrow. So the forecast for tomorrow is 62 and sunny, but do have a chance of rain for Thursday. Let's see what it is in Maine. Bangor, Maine. Let's go way up to Maine. 58, light rain. 57 and sunny. 57 and sunny. So the weather will be better in Maine because, again, they're away from that stall front. So that stall front is the problem. That's basically the issue. Anyway, that wraps up this weather update. Again, won't be too hot today, but if you're in Jersey, it will be. Other than that, not too much heat, just lots of clouds in the forecast. Thank you for watching.